Hello my friends, my name is Magic Trader. I am the head of operations team. In this video, I will show you step by step of what you need to do to start making money today. It is very simple, fast, and straightforward. So please, I need you to pay a lot of attention. Watch this video as many times as you need. First of all, welcome to the group. In this group, we have operations every day of the week, all day. How, you may ask? We have 3 trading sessions per day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one late at night. Now let's move on to the steps you need to follow to start making money with us. The first thing you need to do is click on the pinned message above. Welcome to the group. You will be copying and pasting from the best traders in the world. Below are the schedules for the sessions, and below that is the first step you need to take. Create your account on the broker using the link below and earn $10,000 free to start with us without risking your own money. By clicking this blue button above, you will be opening the broker page. This broker is the only broker that I fully trust. Now you will put in your best email address and a good safe password that you won't forget. Select the best currency for you and then click the box. After you click the box, you will click on registration. Okay, now you will click this X and done. But Magic Trader, where's the $10,000 you told me about? Don't you worry. I'm going to teach you right now how to get the $10,000 to test our signals. You see where it says live over here? Go ahead and click on it. Now you need to select the demo account. And here you have your $10,000 to test our signals. Now the next step is how you're going to deposit your money into the account. Just to remind you guys, that we have a bonus code in the broker, so you can receive a bonus over your deposit. But to use our code and earn 50%, you must create your account at the link below that is connected to the bonus. Our bonus may go up to 300%, but as of right now, we have a bonus of 50% over your deposit. But Magic Trader, how can we use this bonus? It is very easy and simple to do it. You're gonna click right here on deposit. We have 3 options of deposit: cryptocurrencies, e-payments, and regular bank payments. You're going to pick the best option for yourselves and deposit the amount that you wish. Over here, we're going to deposit $500 and get a $250 bonus using our code, which means we deposited $500, but in the end, we will have $750. Now we go back to the group. Do you see this code right here? Let's go back to the broker and type this code over there so we can get our bonus. Click in this button where it says use bonus. And down here, you go ahead and type the code that we sent in the group. Go ahead and spell TM50 and get 50% over your deposit. All right, go ahead and click on deposit.
Okay guys, first thing before anything else, you need to change your broker's time zone to Brazil's time, which is extremely easy. You go ahead and click this setting gears, then click on time zone and change it to UTC -3, which is right over here. Go ahead and click right over here and you're all set. Let's go back. There you go guys. You by now have changed the time zone to Brazil.
All right, let's go ahead and go on to the third step, which is how to copy the signals we sent in the group. Just to remind you guys that the only thing you guys need to know to start making money today is know how to use this broker and read our signals. Don't you guys worry, because I will show you how to do it right now. First thing, you're going to have your Telegram notifications activated so you can receive a text just like this one. But what does this mean? This is the operation I've sent in the group. Going back to the broker, now you guys already know how to create your account and how to deposit. Now we're going to learn how to read the signals. You're going to have to apply what you've learned to the broker. But it's not difficult at all. You're going to be at this screen and here is your money. I'm going to teach you using this signal that we're going to be using today. GBP USD. The first step is done, which is the trading pair. Now you're going to pay attention to this time right over here, which is 16:30, because whenever it's 16:25, you're going to go ahead and click the green button. But why the green one, you may ask? Because it says call with the green square. And down is whenever we have put with the red square, like the signal right over here. Okay, so let's go over one more time. This signal here is GBP USD and we go ahead and put it right over here. Go ahead, click search, type GBP USD, and go ahead and select. The time of 1630 over here, we'll go ahead and place it right over here. And right over here, you're gonna go ahead and put the amount that you wanna make your first investment. We'll go ahead and put $20 over here. Just to remind you guys, that's the time for 1630. We're gonna go ahead and click green at 1625. Always 5 minutes before the time. This is the pair, and we'll go ahead and put it right over here. And over here is the time, and we'll go ahead and put it right below that. And right after you do that, you're gonna go ahead and look if you had to click up or down, if it's the green square or the red square. Okay, the operation is already in progress. You can see right over here in the small square how long it's gonna take for the operation to finish. Right over here, we have 9 seconds left. And we were victorious. Over here, we can see we have the pair GBP USD, and at 1630, we won our first operation over here live with you guys. To remind you guys that this is everything you guys need to know to start making money with us. But Magic Trader, what does this thing of first gale and second gale mean? Here we can see that the first gale is for 1635. Gale is a strategy we use to minimize your risks. In case we would have lost the first operation, I would go ahead and use the first gale. But how does this work? I'm gonna go ahead and use this signal as an example for y'all. So over here, we have the pair GBP USD. We'll go ahead, go back to the broker, type that in, GBP USD, go ahead and select. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the chat one more time and look at the time, which is 1650. And we'll go ahead and type that in. Right over here on this box, you're gonna go ahead and put the amount you want to invest. Now we'll go back to the chat. You see over here where it says call with the green square? This means we're gonna go ahead and press the green button. We're gonna press up. I've just pressed right now the green button at 1645. So it expires at 1650. Always when you see the time over here, you're gonna press the button 5 minutes before. If we lose right now, we're gonna go ahead and try our first gale. Here's our operation. And we have 3 minutes till it finishes. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video a little bit so you guys don't have to wait. Okay, we got a loss. Now I'm gonna show you right now live how to do the first gale, which is our strategy to minimize your risk. Now we're gonna take a look over here at the first gale, which says time at 1655. Place the timer over here and click the button, obviously 5 minutes before, and obviously the same way, which is up. We'll go ahead and put double the amount we put on the first entry. So in that case, if we win, we can recuperate what we lost in our first entry and still make a profit. When you do the gale for the operation, it is always gonna be the same button. What does this mean? If in the first operation, we click up and then we lost and we go ahead and do our first gale, we're gonna press up again. In this case, we lost the operation using call. And then when we went to do the first gale, we used call again. This is our operation with the first gale. "40 seconds to end right now." Wow, guys, we've won the operation. Now we've recuperated what we invested in the first operation and still made a profit. Like I've explained, we first lost 20, and then in the first gale, I doubled my investment, recuperated my loss, and made a profit. This is what you need to do to get a gale. We recommend only up to 2 gales. If you guys have any doubts, you can send a text to our support team right over here. All right, guys, this is everything you need to know. You can watch this video as many times as you want until you understand everything. Let's go, and I'll see you guys on the other side.